If you're an employee, you probably see one or more of these bosses, and I want to let you in on the game. I keep seeing the same toxic supervisor patterns emerge in case after case, and I think it's time we had a real conversation about the cost of toxic bosses. First, there's the disrespectful discriminator. You know the type. They aren't just rude, they treat certain employees differently. Maybe they make snide comments or dismiss your ideas in meetings. But here's what many don't realize. When this behavior targets specific groups or protected characteristics, we're not just talking about bad management anymore. We're potentially talking about violations of Title VII and serious legal liability. And then there's the micromanager. And trust me, this goes deeper than just being annoying. When a supervisor is constantly breathing down your neck, monitoring every bathroom break, or demanding excessive documentation from only certain employees, they may actually be crossing legal boundaries. If you're the only person being micromanaged and everybody else is in a different protected class than you, it could be discrimination. Now let's talk about something I see destroying careers, and that's the self-serving saboteur. These supervisors aren't just ambitious, they're actively undermining their team. They'll steal credit, block promotions, and withhold training opportunities. These supervisors hold people back from opportunities to help themselves, and they'll throw you under the bus if you challenge them. There's another thing that really gets under my skin, and that's retaliatory behavior. I've seen supervisors punish employees for filing legitimate complaints and then suddenly give negative reviews to previously stellar performers or create fake documentation to justify their actions. Let me be crystal clear. Retaliation is illegal under multiple federal statutes, including Title VII, the ADEA, and the ADA. And don't get me started on supervisors who think they're above company policies. Whether they're ignoring safety protocols, manipulating time records, or demanding off-the-clock work, these violations often lead to serious wage and hour claims and OSHA violation. Here's my advice as an employment lawyer. Document everything. Keep detailed records of incidents, save those emails, and note who was present during problematic interactions. If you're experiencing any of these issues, don't suffer in silence. Your rights are protected by both federal and sometimes state laws. Remember, a toxic supervisor isn't just making your life difficult, they might be breaking the law. And that's something you need to talk about more openly in the workplace. Want more insights about your workplace rights? Follow me for updates on employment law and protecting yourself in the workplace.